citizens of Chestertown. It's a big day. I'm glad to see this big turnout. Makes me pleased as punch. As mayor, I'd like to welcome you to this grand unveiling, a momentous occasion of, an occasion of splendid...
All you gotta do is just
Hey, where the heck is that noise coming from?
Thanks for visiting the library. Sorry for everything.
Yeah, sorry about the flood. New Book Tuesdays makes me salivate profusely.
Preposterous. Nobody should be louder than the mayor's speech. Security.
You sure know how to drool, Jeffrey.
That's why they call me the Splash Zone.
Ew, gross.
Now hold the phone, little lady.
Jeffrey, it's the mayor.
Whoa! Hi, Mr. Mayor. To what do we owe this pleasure?
I've never been so insulted in my life. You two big-headed goofballs are the loudest people in town. Louder than me. Nobody should be louder than the mayor.
Oh, no, we didn't mean it, sir.
Yeah, it's just the way we are!
That does it. It doesn't matter if you're here or in Timbuktu. If I hear either of you make another peep again, I'm shutting this entire library down.
Shut down the library?
Bingo. Now you kids put a sock in it or else. I mean zip it. Silencio. Comprende? Okay then. Security. Donut. Coffee. Fantastic.
Oh boy, that's pretty tough. How are you two gonna be that quiet? I mean, the only way I can think of it is if you never talk for the rest of your lives. But that's a bit extreme. Isn't it? Hey, Sarah, a customer wants to check out, those things we have. They have a hardcover with pages bound inside. Don't you just hate it when a word escapes you? They're all over the place. They're, What's that? Oh, here. They want you to help them.
Excuse me, I really like Dishwasher's Guide to the Universe. Can you recommend any other sci-fi books? Huh? What? Okay, I guess I'll just go home and watch TV.
Hello? Why aren't you answering me? Can you not see me? Am I invisible? Oh my gosh, I'm invisible! Everyone, I'm here, everyone, I'm here! Please see me! Ah!
So, as I was saying, the momentous occasion you've all been waiting for. Under this ceremonial sheet, I present the grand unveiling of a new stop sign. With this sign, we now rest assured that all cars will stop for one doggone moment, guaranteeing safety for all.
No, I love you more. No, I love you most. No, I love you mostest.
Now, without further ado, the ceremonial cutting of the red ribbon. Here we go. Comically large scissors. Red ribbon. Ready for some cutting. This calls for a celebration. Let's all go out for delicious cherry pie.
Watch
out! You two again? That's the last straw. What the?
Wow, I'm really sorry.
Yay!
Hey, you both saved my life. I owe you some darn fine gratitude.
Thanks, Mayor.
It might be the first time ever, but I was wrong. There's no shame in being the second loudest person in town.
Boy, it sure is nice to talk again.
As far as I'm concerned, Sonny, you can be as loud as you want. Not you guys.
Hey friends, if you like Too Loud, check out other fun shows right here. And subscribe to DreamWorks TV right here.